Lillian here, and I'm a business coach helping online or offline coaches in the health and fitness space generate high quality leads and clients into their business. Now we're just about to come out of our national lockdown, but unfortunately those in tier 3 cannot go back to working in the gym if you're like a gym class-based instructor, and it's tough. I mean, I really miss my spinning, and it does force the question upon you, like maybe it could be a time to go online. I'm not here with a hard sell, by the way. I'm here just to offer help, but we've really struggled in the health and fitness industry. I mean, I know obviously other industries have been affected, but I have been talking about going online for a very long time. I actually released a course, Transform Your Offline Service to Online, before the pandemic, before it was even in conversation. I'm a big believer for so many reasons. So my reasons for going online back in 2014 was because I was becoming a mum and I couldn't physically open up my spin studios. I couldn't be in 2 places at once, and I realised the power of going online then. And there are ways of doing things. If you've got a program, or you already have a program that you think you can deliver, let's say you've got a program 4 to 6 weeks and you can help someone lose weight or correct their mindset, or anything really, anything in the health and wellness space, and you feel you can deliver it online as well, then it's something really to consider doing, for sure. I offer a free video series, and it helps you basically learn and build an online business system. So you would generate leads from a place like Facebook. I'm a big fan of Facebook advertising, and then they'll go into your sort of funnel, your sales process, and you qualify them along the way, so then you know that every lead that comes through is obviously a really good lead. And yeah, you can deliver your program online. It is a learning curve. There are things that you need to get your head around along the way. And I am offering a self-study course. It's free. And another training I'm going to be doing at 2 o'clock is all about understanding your numbers, like your targets. So depending on how much money you need to bring in each month, I'll help you identify exactly how much you need to be working towards, like what your daily targets are. So yeah, you can actually leverage, again, using the power of going online, use other people's money for your Facebook spends, your investment into Facebook or other platforms you might want to consider. But yeah, building a machine, i.e. a sales process that's all online, does all the heavy lifting for you. So pretty much once it's built out, it can do 90% of all the work. And then at the end, you have a very qualified client that you can talk to on the phone, who's there ready to buy, who's expected to be sold to, who's ready to say yes and jump on board your program. So I can help with any stage. I am offering a beta version of the free course that I do. I'm always looking for students to give me their thoughts and their opinions, always looking for my next success story. But I can help you build landing pages, I can help you build messenger bots, and if this is all just too alien for you, then that's absolutely fair enough. I can certainly point you in the right direction should you just want to chat. Real informal discussion, just depending on where you are. But there's so much change right now, and I do believe that once you get your head around mastering the art of going online, because I think whether we like it or not, the world's changing so quick now that we have to go online. We have to join everyone else into migrating online, and there's so many benefits, so many positives going online. It's definitely worth your while if you were to spend the time investing into a program, investing the time understanding the ropes, because once you've done it once, it's already built and it's done. And as mentioned, it does all the heavy lifting for you. So it's all good stuff. But yeah, feel free. I've got this quality clients generation community on Facebook. The link is attached to this video. Every week I release a live training, and again, you can have the program for free. There's a free version. You get to learn Facebook, you get to learn how to build your system, I also give you a script as well, what to say on the call to a client in order to help convert those sales for you. And depending on what your income is, what you would like it to be, we can obviously tweak the KPIs to fit around your unique and personal situation. So that's where I'm at with everything. Drop me a message if you've got any questions, and hit the link, and I'll see you at the live training at 2. All right then, bye.